Hey now, take a step outside and seize the...
Greetings, fellow Earth travelers. Obelix here. Today I want to take just a second to check out what's in this here box. How y'all doing today? So guys, this is the first watch I've ever bought from Macy's. Surprisingly enough, they had the best deal. Go figure, the Red Star wins the day. Now normally I like to do a wrist check that has a little something to do with what's inside the box. But today guys, I got nothing. This thing is too far gone for even me to have anything related to it. So quick wrist check. I'm just wearing my, it's a Sunday for me. So it's just my Swatch Ghost. Casual lay around the house watch. So let's go ahead and pop into this guy and see what craziness lies inside. Opening duties today by the Spyderco Paramilitary 2 with the compression lock. A little bit different than most you'll find out there. Super strong. Made in Golden, Colorado. Right there. Golden, Colorado, US of A. Not too often you get to see a USA made knife anymore. As you can see, it is a Bulova. I guess I could have worn one of my Bulova watches. That probably would have been a good clue, but oh well. Alright, packaging's a little rough for wear, but it's still in decent condition. Let's go ahead and pop the frunk and the hood and see what's inside. Something completely different from what I normally wear. This is a Bulova Computron. And we will peel the plastic off and see that LED screen. Not LCD, like on a Casio, but LED. And if we hit the button, we get the LEDs light up and show us the time, seconds, date, and day. So it thinks it's Monday. And then a secondary time zone. So let me clean this guy up a little bit and we'll check him out. Alright, there we go, the Bulova Computron. Now you guys that have followed me for any length of time know I like quirky and weird watches, and this most definitely qualifies with its oddball trapezoidal design. Flat case back here. We've got a tapered bracelet with lots of polish on the sides. Polish in the center as well, but these ribs kind of preclude that. Let's pop that clasp. Oh, we got a milled clasp and more plastic that I missed apparently. I'll get that in a... So there we go, nice milled clasp. No branding on the buckle, but it does keep the design all the way through. Very nice. Light branding on the crystal for the display. Now you've got two pushers. You've got an inset pusher on this side, and you have an outset pusher on this side. You push this one to cycle through the time, seconds, date, day, and secondary time zone. You will push this one to set the time. So you see the time at this very extreme angle. Normally you would look at a watch face on, much like this Swatch that I'm wearing. But with this guy, you actually have to rotate your wrist around to see it. They often call it a driver's watch because you can see the time when you have your hands on the steering wheel. You'll still be able to see the time right there. So let's pop the Swatch off. Now the Bulova is not fitted for my 7-inch wrist, but we're going to take a look at it anyway and see how close it gets. So we're going to have quite a few links to take out. So it will fit larger wrist for sure. But it's going to sit like this. So it doesn't rise up too high, but you can see, if you had your hand on the steering wheel, you would be able to see the time just by hitting that button right there. So this guy came in 3 different colors. I said it was originally produced back in the 70s, and it is part of their archive series, so they've been re-released here recently. They did re-release it in 3 different colors. So we got the silver with blue display, we've got a gold with red display, and we have a black with red display. The black one has a silicone strap instead of the bracelet. The gold and the silver have the metal bracelets. Now if we take a look at the tag, we can see that this is a model 96C as in Charlie 139, and it does retail for $350. I got it on Black Friday again from Macy's, and was able to pick it up for $196, so quite a bit off from its MSRP. Just a really quirky, interesting piece. You guys know my love of quirky and interesting, and this definitely fits that bill. Very excited to get some wrist time on this guy. We'll do a full review down the road after we've spent some time with it, got to know it, see if we love it or hate it. But I do think that's going to do it for this unboxing. So do appreciate you guys coming to hang out with me as we take a look at the Bulova Computron. So until next time, you guys, y'all, get out there, make some noise. See ya.
It goes